meet D.A.VE 1.0, I designed all of the pieces and how this robot would work. This was my first attempt at making a walking robot using an Arduino, and 4 servos. At this stage the movements were very jerky. Also around this time, I discovered that when one leg would lift up the robot would start falling. This was fixed by adding a weight to one foot which balanced it out. As you can see, the movement is a lot more stable. This was the final form of the movement. I was making this for a robot competition, so I wanted to add something more interesting to the robot. I decided to add music as it was walking. If you would like to learn more on how I built this, check out the Instructable project with the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, I will most likely answer. And stay tuned for my new video series that will walk through the process of building D.A.VE 2.0.